Artificial intelligence and machine learning are the part of computer science that are correlated with each other. These two technologies are the most trending technologies which are used for creating intelligent systems. On broad level, AI is a bigger concept to create intelligent machines that can simulate human thinking capability and behavior. Whereas machine learning is an application or a subset of AI that allows machines to learn from data without being programmed explicitly. Learning from data means it will take the models will be created using training. The data from the will feed the data and from that it will be trained. So based on capabilities, AI can be classified into three types: weak AI, general AI, strong AI. And the other side, machine learning works on algorithms which learn by its own data, own historical data. It works only for specific domains, such as if you are creating a machine learning model for detecting the picture of dogs, it will detect only dogs or not, but not if we give some cat image, it will become unresponsive. So this can be divided into machine learning algorithms, or machine learning can be divided into three types. One is supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. So broad applications, the examples include for the AI or Siri, Alexa, it will try to do some job based on the command, and it will intelligently it will try to do corresponding action. At home appliances we are seeing Siri, Alexa, we are asking them to do some work and it is doing. On the other side, ML example applications include the online recommender systems, Facebook auto friend tagging, like price predictions. So these are all fall under the ML examples. Okay.